Hey, fifth graders. Good to see you guys. I miss everybody. I really do. Um, if we were at school together right now, like we should be, we would be working on your famous person project together at school. I would give you time during library class to do your research, and I would help you if you were having troubles. Um, I can't do that with you. I wish I could. So last week I sent out some links to you. I hope that everybody got those links. I hope that well, I know you all got them. I hope that everybody has taken time to look at them. Only some of you have responded to me. So you should respond to me so that I know that you have seen the links rather than Googling to find information, which is that's a poor way to do it. I have links for you, links that are student safe and age appropriate, reading level appropriate. So I want to show you what to do. So this is the activity that I sent to you last week, last Thursday. So you'll just click right here on this note. And when you open it up, there's lots of things here. We've got Britannica Elementary. When you open this up, Britannica is a really fabulous website. It's paid for by the state of Minnesota. And honestly, sites that you pay for are definitely higher quality than sites that are free because they're able to provide more high quality resources. So you'll look for your person in here. My example was Jimmy Carter, former president. Here it pops up Jimmy Carter, so I'll click on this and see what kind of resources they have. And look right here. This is what I want you to see. Reading level 1, reading level 2, because there are different levels of Britannica. If I go to reading level 2, I see a different article here. But all of them right here, you can listen to all of them. I'm going to pause it. We don't really need to hear this right now. And once I get to level 2, I would even have an option for reading level 3. And that will take me to more of the high school and college level resources. They'll just add more to it. You might not see a difference here, but they add more to it. There's a tab here for images and videos. I can scroll through here, get some information, see some pictures. I can look here where it says related. It might have some other links for me, some related information to Jimmy Carter. All right, let's go back and take a look. Oh, I'm just going to close this. Sorry. And at the Virtual Media Center. Now, I showed you this when we were starting to do research on the people from that book called The Undefeated right before spring break. Never got a chance to finish it. But in the Virtual Media Center, you're going to see all the links under here, the electronic library. Whoops. The electronic library for Minnesota. All of these are really good. Separate links for Britannica are right here. You might need to log in if you click on these, but I gave you the login in the note. ELM, the number 4, YOU. Elm for you. That's the username and the password for all of these. Kiddle is great. That is a safe Google search for kids. KidRex is another safe searching site for kids. And not only is it safe, it is more likely to come up with resources that you can actually read. I also want you to make sure that you look at this link right here called People, because on People, you are going to have lots of links for specific people. This is a great section right here, Fact Monster. You definitely need to look at Fact Monster. But if you scroll through here, maybe you have a president, so you might be able to find something here. If you have an inventor, be sure to look in here. These are some more special collections. Astronauts, Civil War, distinguished women, explorers, and so on. You're probably not doing mathematicians. When I close this, I've got PebbleGo. I know you've all seen PebbleGo, so I'm not going to demonstrate that one. And PebbleGo, you know, is for younger kids. However, their biographies are really, really great, basic. You'll have basic information there. But if you're able to find your person in there, you consider yourself lucky, and make sure you look at the timeline. There's a timeline at the bottom of the PebbleGo page. If you just scroll down, you'll see the timeline. And then here is the link to where you could create a timeline. And if you want to use this link, you can use the tutorial that I made for you. You might be able to figure out how to create your own in Google Drawings. You know, it could be real simple. You would just make lines and boxes and put information in there. You would just have to make sure that you space things out correctly, so that, you know, things are spaced out properly on your timeline. I will close that. And so just so that you can see this, I'm in Mr. Anderson's class, and I see that 14 kids out of Mr. Anderson's class saw this and responded to me the way that I asked them to. So that's not very good. That's less than half of you. So I would like the rest of you to sign in on this. When I go to the giant panda research, I can see again I had 14 kids, probably 14 different kids. Digital etiquette, 20 of you responded. That's a little bit better, but I'm still waiting for 10 of you. Anyway, let me know if you need any help. You can send me a message through Seesaw. I'm checking on Seesaw constantly, so I will certainly respond to you if you reach out for some help, okay? Miss you guys. Take care.